5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The learned additional sessions judge Barmer has convicted the appellants Safia and Nathia of offence under section 20(2) of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 hereinafter referred to as the Act and has sentenced each one of them to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 2 lakh each, and in default to undergo further rigorous imprisonment for 1 year each. Aggrieved Safia and Nathia have come in appeal. Briefly stated, the prosecution story is that on 28/2/1987, PW5 Hamir Singh was posted as SHO Police Station CO. That day, he was informed by the Superintendent of Police Barmer that the latter had been informed by an informer that Nathia and Safia were proceeding on 2 camels with contraband churus. Upon this information from the Superintendent of Police Barmer, Sri Hamir Singh along with Deputy SP Govind Narayan, Head Constables Biraj Singh and Hira Ram, Head Constable of CID Umed Singh and other police officials, namely Girdhari Singh, Tajmal Singh, Kishan Singh and Pratap Dan, proceeded in government jeep in search of the 2 persons towards village Dholakia. In this connection, Hamir Singh, before proceeding to Dholakia, recorded a report Exhibit P12 in the Daily Roznamcha of the police station. When the police party reached near the northern outskirts of village Dholakia, footmarks of 2 camels were seen proceeding towards village Mungeria. The police party continued to proceed in the direction to which the footmarks led. On the outskirts of village Mungeria, the police party met PW6 Shyam Singh, an ex-police official who was asked to accompany them. The police party along with Shyam Singh went towards sand dunes which lay at a distance of about 1 kilometer in the north from village Mungeria. There the police party spotted 2 persons going on camels. The 2 camels and riders were surrounded and taken into custody. Each camel was carrying a pillion. Upon inquiries, one of the camel rider gave out his name as Nathia, while other accused as Safia. The police party found that 3 bags were being carried on the camel which Nathia was riding. 4 bags were being carried by the camel which Safia was riding. The police party got the bags unloaded. In the bags recovered from the camel of Nathia, 150 packets were found, and from the bags carried by the camel of Safia, 151 packets were found. Hamir Singh opened the packets and after smelling them found them to contain contraband churus. The 2 appellants were asked to produce license or permit about the possession of the aforesaid contraband, but they failed to produce any. Shri Hamir Singh thereupon prepared recovery memo Exhibit P, Site Plan Exhibit P12 and legend of the site plan Exhibit P2. He arrested Safia, wide arrest memo Exhibit P3 and Nathia, wide arrest memo Exhibit P4. He also prepared a memo Exhibit P14 regarding the footmarks which had led to the apprehension of the appellants. Stanza. The prosecution story is that the police party took the accused persons to police station. CO stop. The SHO got the packets of contraband churus, weighed and took out samples from the various packets and sealed back the packets as also the samples recovered by him. Wide memo exhibit P5 stop. The bags which contained the packets were marked 1 to 7 and each of the packet was also marked by Sri Hamir Singh stop. He further prepared recovery memo in respect of the 2 camels. Wide exhibit P6 and exhibit P7 stop. The appellants of the 2 camels were handed over to custom officials. Wide exhibit P17 stop. Hamir Singh deposited the recovered bags containing the packets sealed by him as also the parcel of samples in the malkhane of the police station, and entries were made in the malkhane register stop. The bags of packets as also parcels of the samples remained in custody of PW1 Biraj Singh, who forwarded 31 parcels of samples to the office of SP Barmer with PW2 Mula Ram stop. PW2 Mula Ram took the sealed parcels of samples to the office of the SP Barmer the same day, where they were handled by PW7 Bhabut Singh stop. Bhabut Singh prepared a forwarding letter of the parcels exhibit P21 and handed over the parcels to Mula Ram along with forwarding letter stop. Mula Ram thereafter took those parcels to the State Forensic Science Laboratory, Jaipur, and delivered from them on 11/3/1987. Wide exhibit P10 stop. Stranger. It appears that on 11/3/1987 PW3 Sohan Ram, Inspector Border Custom Department Barmer, obtained some more samples from the sealed packets contained in the 7 bags which were kept in the custody of Malkhane of Police Station. CO. Wide exhibit P11 stop. The prosecution story is that after recovering such samples, original packets were resealed and the samples recovered by Sohan Raj were also sealed separately. Stop. Over.